heels just over the edge. Now squat down first. A little this way. Right there. Perfect. Yep. Now, look in my eyes the whole way down. Big powerful jump in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. I got him.
Group 135 to 180 that needs a harness. Like, get in line and we'll give you the harness. Whoever gets in line gets the harness next. Whoever's in line next gets the harness. 135 to 180.
It is not. You have yeah, we'll get you in here in a second. Are you jumping today or are you just watching?